Good morning, everybody. So, wanted to talk about what's on the shelves out there. So, yesterday I tried to get food at Walmart and they didn't have anything. No milk, no eggs, no produce. Like it was bad. And their prices have been insane. So I told my husband, I said, let's go to some other stores. We have, it's not like, 5 minutes away, but it's not an hour away either. It's like 15, 20 minutes. And there's a ton of stores, Aldi, Winco, Buy for Less. There's several Walmarts, a Crest. So I was like, let's just go to some other stores. And I love Winco. So we went to Winco, and there's a gallon of milk that's not here. It's in the refrigerator. And that was my first issue, is Walmart's been charging $4.68 for a gallon of milk. I got a gallon of milk at Winco for $2.79. The produce at Walmart, either they don't have it or what they do have is just gross. It's gross. So I want to encourage you all to it. It may not be convenient, but check out the other stores in your area. It paid off yesterday going around town and seeing what was available, price-wise, quality-wise, and shelf-wise, what the store had. To go into Winco now, unless you know Winco, you would be like, oh, they're fully stocked. But their produce used to be a bigger selection, but they still had a pretty good selection. And I'm not going to poo-poo the prices. Everything has gone up, but what I paid yesterday, I didn't leave mad. Let's put it to you that way. So I needed fresh foods. We all need fresh foods in our diets. We're not going to be able to grow a lot of this in the winter. I don't know if we're going to have the same kind of winter we did last year or not. So definitely won't be growing in that. So what I got was, I got some smoked turkey necks just because they were cheaper than ham hocks and stuff like that. So this was one package. I separated them, and I will use that in my beans. So I want to can some bean soup. I have some chopped up ham in the freezer that I will add, but I wanted that smoky flavor for my beans. So I got these, and they're huge. Like those are big. So I went ahead and already seal mealed or food savored, or vacuum sealed those and got them done. I got from their bulk section, I got some Veggie Chips because my husband eats those now instead of potato chips. So I got those to see if he liked them, as well as the others. I got some of their corn nuts. Their corn nuts are really yummy. They're not like rocks. But it has zucchini, beets, green beans, taro, sweet potato, just all sorts of veggies in there, and they're as crunchy as like a kettle chip. So I got those for him. What did I pay for those? What did I pay for those? Those are 53 cents a pound. Uh-oh. Hey, hey, hey. No barky barky. So that wasn't bad, sorry. And then I got some pork. And that pork was $5.11 for that. And I've already vacuum sealed it as well. I was finally able to get some shrimp. These are large shrimp. They're raw. And they were, I just saw it on this receipt, $6.68. They had ribeyes. Nice, thick, normal steaks, 4 for $21. So if you're in Oklahoma City, get to Winco and get you some steaks. This is just an indulgent thing. Those were not $2.19. They were $1. $1. $58. Then I got some sushi. I don't eat raw fish. That's just shrimp sushi. And that was just a treat for me. I got some of this imitation crab meat, and it was my husband says you need to hold everything out to here to see it. Where is it? I don't know how much it was. Wasn't that much. It's like 3 something. I got this garden mix salad. And it was cheap too. I got a personal watermelon. You can see it over there behind the broccoli. It was $1.98. At Walmart, those are $5. I got broccoli. It was $1.89 for both these heads of broccoli. The cantaloupe was $2.65. I got the cauliflower, and that's to make my husband mashed cauliflower to see if I can get him to like it. Was $2.19. I got these sweet baby bell peppers for, I don't want to get it confused with for $1.48. I got 2 red bell peppers for $1.96. I got a bag of avocados for $2.78. I got these tomatoes for $4.98. I got peaches, the white peaches, for $1.57. And I got those hot Doritos, which you can see the shrinkflation in that. But it's a full bag, which is nice. And what did I pay for those? kind of funny when your eyes don't want to zero in on something. Oh, and I got a foot-long pastrami sandwich for $3.98. That's in the refrigerator. Oh, the Doritos were $2.48. The milk was $1.79 a gallon. I think I said that already. So I got the Cantaloupe. This is a separate purchase I got online for my canning. I always run out, so I got the big container. I got 2 new can openers. This one is the kind that doesn't leave a sharp edge, and then this is just a regular one. And then I got these because I use those rubber spatulas all the time because I don't want to be noisy when I'm cooking for you guys and stuff. Plus I like the way they work. I like the ones I have because they're the thin spatulas. But I got these. I need to find some like these because I like how they're thin and they're wide. I just like these. These are thicker and kind of spoony like, but I got this one as well. Has these long ones. Those are interesting. But so, I mean, look at your housewares and see what condition they're in. Like these are getting kind of dented and stuff. There's one missing a little piece that I have, and so I was like, okay, gonna get some backups of some things. And you might, so just go through your items and see if you need to maybe replace some stuff. Get it now while it's available. But yeah, go around your town and see what's available. I'm noticing some stores are more stocked than others. Walmart's quality is just bad. It's really bad. So is Sam's, which same company. So, I mean, hit up, if you have a Costco, see if you can get a guest pass. Go in, check it out. I don't know if people know. I mean, they used to do that you can get a guest pass for a day and look around. Price compare. Everybody thinks Walmart's the cheapest. It's not. Go to your Aldi's, go to your Wincos, your Kroger's, wherever. Buy on sale. This stuff wasn't even on sale. It was just their everyday prices. And I told my husband, I said, we're gonna leave Walmart alone for a while. I mean, we shop there because and it's a Walmart market, not a super Walmart. We have a super Walmart the other direction up the road, and it's just always chaos. But we also have Crest, Aldi, so check around your different grocery stores. You'd be amazed. I mean, it was night and day between stock and prices between Winco and Walmart. So got some fresh foods. At least we're going to eat healthy for this week. We want to keep those veggies in our diets if we can, the fresh veggies. So I just wanted to share with you and tell you the differences I'm seeing in the stores. I think that's what's misleading for people on are there actually shortages or not? Some stores are doing better than others. But I think when it finally starts dwindling, it's going to be across the board. So get what you can while you can. Save as much money as you can when you go out. And don't settle for Walmart's bad quality in produce. Go somewhere else. I know it may not be convenient, but there are stores out there that have some better quality fruits and vegetables, so try and find that. And milk, I'm so happy. I was getting mad over that $4.68 a gallon. So You all take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to start canning as soon as I put all this away, so I will see you in the canning videos. Take care.